Hi, my name is Saiful bin Lamin. I'm a Microsoft Office trainer. With years of experience teaching Microsoft Office, I notice there's a lot of problems that occurs in these classes. Usually, it is about the content and also the arrangement of the classes. Why so? Because getting the right participant for these classes is actually a real problem. Most people, for example in Excel, they tend to ignore the foundation class. Why so? Because they felt that with years of experience using the application, they might not have a problem to maneuver them from point A to point B. Well, sadly, this is wrong. Let me take you on a journey of a Microsoft Excel learning pathway. Starting from basic and intermediate. This is where the skill of Microsoft Excel is being embedded in the learning process. Do you know what style is? Do you know what format S table is for? Do you know what COUNTIF, SUMIF, and also average if? Do you know the limit of if? See, these are the common things that people usually use in Excel, but most people fail to use it properly. Then we can move on into an advanced class where they will learn about pivot table. They will learn about what if analysis. These are some of the cool features in Excel where it is either misunderstood or some people they do not know that these features exist. Next, let's go into a pivot table course. You can also move on into functions and formulas. There's another course for dashboard and interactive reports. After you have completed all this, you can move on into financial modeling, Power Query, Power Pivot, or even Power BI Desktop. Another course that allows you to maximize the potential of your templates in Excel, the VBA macro programming. There are two types of a VBA macro programming courses. One is the fundamentals, where you learn some basic programming nature which allows you to automate some of the tasks and also create your own functions. And lastly, once you have completed all these courses, you can move on into the VBA macro programming level 2. If you would have any questions, don't hesitate to call us, or you can click at the link below. Till then, bye.